Good afternoon, good morning, good evening from wherever you're watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I posted because a while ago I wasn't feeling well, but right now I'm fine. So here we are in Bungoma. This is Sunrise Road. We are going to drive to Webuye. Webuye is, of course, part of Bungoma County. So Webuye County is it's an industrial town within Webuye West sub-county in Bungoma County in Kenya. It's mainly located on the main road to Uganda. So the road, okay, this road that we are currently using, it's Sunrise Road in an estate called Marel. Yeah. So we are still on in the estate. So I'll show you the Uganda main road once we join. So this is where the middle class people of Bungoma town hide, or or where the rich hide. I don't know who came up with where the rich hide. Yeah, it's a nice neighborhood here in Bungoma town. Yeah. Yeah, Bungoma has nice places. Don't worry. I'm your plug. I'm your plug. Yeah, so we're about to leave the estate and join the main road. That is Nairobi Uganda Road or Eldoret Uganda Road, Bungoma Uganda Road, whichever. But the road that goes to Malaba. So yeah, that road that we are going to join, as you can see. And the opposite side, if you cross over the opposite side, you go to the famous Hunters Hotel in Bungoma. It has been showcased so many times. So this is the town. This Webuye town is a hometown of Pan-African Paper Mills, the largest paper factory in the region, as well as a number of heavy chemical and sugar manufacturers. So the area is heavily populated and is used mainly for subsistence agriculture. So as I told you before, Webuye is home to Bukusu and Tachoni tribes. It has an urban population of 19,600 according to 99 census and 22,507 in total according to the geographical database. So the villages near Webuye include Lugulu, and that's where we find the National School Lugulu Girls. We have Milo, Maraka, and Misuku. Then it's also the home of Nabuyole Falls, previously known as the Broderick Falls of Nzoia River. There's a time I showed you Nzoia River as I was traveling back to Nairobi. So So actually this river, and this Nabuyole Fall, it attracts a considerably number of both local and foreign tourists who enjoy the thrill of crossing the river on the shaky locally made bridge. Yeah, Nzoia River, yeah, it has a suspension bridge which consists of rickety timber strips joined together with some metal wires. Yeah, so I've never gone to it, but one day I'll show you. I'll showcase it here. So Webuye, as we continue talking, it has some important educational centers, including a campus of Masinde Muliro University, that is MUST, and Kenya Medical College campus. It has Webuye County Referral Hospital, that is the leading medical facility in the county. So of course, as we know, African Paper Mill was closed down in 2008, but yeah, there's some efforts to bring it back. Sometimes I see like it's like they mine sugar. I'm not very sure. I'll find out. So yeah, as I told you, this Nabuyole Falls that we are going to visit previously was known as Broderick Falls, after the first white man who visited Nabuyole Falls on River Nzoia. Today, this Nabuyole Falls it's named after a cobbler who repaired shoes for the railway workers, because I think the video will capture it. There's a railway line that passes over there. So, and this railway, it connects Mombasa to Uganda. Yeah. So basically, this is the drive to Webuye, and I just want to remind you, the area, it rains a lot. It rains a lot. So I can say it is a tropical climate, and obviously it's used for agriculture and everything. And the annual temperature is around 24. Basically, okay, it's a bit cooler than Bungoma town. Bungoma town, it's warm, though it rains. So this is the highway we're still on the road. We're still going over there. This is the highway. So basically, you guys, I want you to enjoy the views and just see how. Now these are the outskirts of Bungoma. I've never shown you. You'll find several places. We have several places. We have on our way to Webuye, we'll pass by several places, as you will see. Yeah, so I'm hoping you'll enjoy this blog, and if you are new here, kindly subscribe, follow, like. Okay, basically subscribe and like. Yeah. So this area around here, around Ghana, we have the Ngelewa. Don't be cheated. I always tell you, if you see some place like this empty, usually people live like not near the road, because mostly people avoid living near the road because of the road noise. So people have built inside. People have built their mansions and the bungalows over there. Yeah, since Kenya came up with a new constitution, and counties now offer employment, but still there's still high rural to urban migration as compared to urban to rural migration. Yeah, so people have started buying land, building their homes. Yeah. So this is our way to Bungoma. This here, they are constructing a hospital. The building you're seeing over there. Yeah, Bungoma has several private hospitals. We have Life Care, we have Aga Khan, all that. Otherwise, enjoy the view. I'll put on some music. So we are now entering Webuye town. As you can see, straight on the road goes to Eldoret up to Nairobi. So we are branching to Eldoret town. Sorry, at Eldoret town. To Webuye town. But then it has some nice hotels. Like we'll pass by Park Villa Hotel. I don't know whether this camera of mine will show it clearly because it was fixed. I was not turning it around, but Park Villa Hotel is around here. Here where this border guy is, as you can see. But then if you go straight on, this road will take you to Kitale, all the way to Kitale. We also have Swan Hotel, Hotel Mana Webuye, Glamour Apollo Hotel Webuye, the Hillfront Hotel, Minati Hotels Webuye, Hotel Satellite, there are several hotels. We have several, the people who love clubbing, we have several clubs. If you love nyama choma, there's a place called Sweet Waters in the town. I actually, after that, we went and did mbuzi choma in town. Of course, it's owned by Kikuyus. Kikuyus love goats. Any celebration, they have to slaughter goats, and they eat everything, including the intestines, everything, from everything apart from the teeth and nails. Yeah. So this is the town. We also have Club Silk. I just know of Club Silk, but there are several clubs. We did not enter the main, did not go to the main town, because we were headed to Nabuyole Falls. But this is the highway. Opposite here, you can see we have the referral hospital, where there are so many borders. Webuye County Referral Hospital. It's actually a very busy, small town. It has several supermarkets, banks. Basically, it has all the amenities that a person would normally need. Yeah, a very small town. It actually grew because of Webuye and paper. What else am I leaving out? Yeah, it's a very active town, as you can see. Very lit. Okay, of course, when I'm talking about these small towns, avoid comparing them to Nairobi, Nakuru, those big towns. Compare them with other small towns. But it's a very nice place. It has everything you need. Everything. Of course, we have several shops, small shops that sell clothes and everything that you need. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Wait for part 2. Bye-bye.